Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this Abasendo platform, which is Roster. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Roster, Roster is a top-tier Abasendo platform that helps brands manage influencers campaign, track performance, and also automate rewards all in one place. It's user-friendly, integrates smoothly with Shopify, and offers strong analytics to measure your ROI effectively, which make it ideal for growing e-commerce brand. However, its higher pricing can be tough for smaller business, and the lack of mobile flexibility limits usability on the go. So in my opinion, Roster is powerful and professional, perfect for scaling ambassador programs, but not the most budget-friendly choice. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and let me know in the comment section what you think about Roster, which is an ambassador platform. And that's it.